You don't need a fat wallet to build a smart workshop. Today, I'm revealing 14 game-changing woodworking tools, all under $25, that'll boost your precision, safety, and creativity. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned craftsman, these picks are budget gold.
Number 1. Looking for precision without the guesswork? The Milescraft Depth Gauge is your go-to tool for setting blade or bit depth on table saws, router tables, and more. Its self-standing, durable frame with wide base feet means you can measure hands-free, no fumbling, no frustration. Whether you're marking, measuring, or locating blades, bits, or fences, this tool delivers accuracy every time. The brass thumb knob lets you lock in your measurement with confidence, while the metal ruler displays both inches and millimeters for easy reading. And thanks to the Easy View window, you'll get crystal clear depth settings without squinting or second-guessing. It's compact, reliable, and built for woodworkers who care about clean cuts and consistent results. From hobbyist to pro, the Milescraft Depth Gauge helps you dial in your setup fast, so you can focus on what matters, making great things with wood. Number 2. Meet the measuring tape that thinks like a carpenter. The FastCap 16-foot Pro Carpenter tape is built for speed, accuracy, and convenience, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. Its standard and reverse layout means you can read measurements clearly from either direction, saving time and reducing errors. Need precision? You've got it. Easy read fractions down to 1/16 inch make layout work smooth and stress-free. And here's where it gets clever. A built-in pencil sharpener keeps your marking tool ready, while the protective rubber boot adds durability for job site abuse. But the real game changer? The erasable notepad right on the tape. Jot down quick notes, measurements, or reminders without scrambling for scrap paper. From framing to fine woodworking, this tape measure is more than a tool. It's a trusted companion that keeps your workflow sharp, efficient, and frustration-free. Number 3. The Swanson 7-inch Speed Square isn't just a square, it's 5 tools in one. Try square, miter square, saw guide, line scriber, and protractor, all packed into a rugged, compact design. Whether you're marking common, hip, valley, or jack rafters, this square makes it easy, with built-in gradations and a pocket-sized Swanson Blue Book. That guide takes the math out of roof pitch cuts, giving you inch rise per foot run data at a glance. Need precision? The 1/4 inch spaced scribing notches and diamond cutout help you mark rafter seats and stud widths with ease. And thanks to its non-glare matte finish and bold black gradations, you'll read measurements clearly in any light. Number 4. When strength matters most, reach for Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue. This 16-ounce powerhouse delivers a bond stronger than the wood itself, perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and outdoor projects that demand durability. It's heat-resistant, easy to sand, and cleans up with water while still wet, making your workflow smoother and cleaner. With a strong initial tack and a 30-minute clamp time, you'll spend less time waiting and more time building. And here's the best part. It's non-toxic and conforms to ASTM D4236 standards, so it's safe to use in any workspace, even around kids or pets. Whether you're gluing hardwoods, softwoods, or composites, Titebond 3 gives you confidence in every joint. From seasoned woodworkers to weekend DIYers, this glue is a must-have for projects that need to last. Strong, safe, and easy to work with, Titebond 3 is the ultimate bonding solution.
Number 5. Need a reliable grip for your woodworking, DIY, or photography setup? The WorkPro 16-piece spring clamp set delivers strength, flexibility, and comfort, all in one compact package. Each 3 and 3/8 inch clamp is crafted from reinforced nylon for long-lasting durability, making it tough enough for repeated use in the shop or studio. The adjustable jaw pads rotate up to 45 degrees, adapting to uneven surfaces and awkward angles with ease. Thanks to the high-strength spring, you get a secure hold with a 1 3/8 inch maximum opening, perfect for clamping materials for up to 24 hours without slipping. And the ergonomic, anti-slip grip reduces hand fatigue so you can work longer and more efficiently. Whether you're gluing, holding backdrops, or assembling parts, these clamps are your go-to solution for quick, dependable pressure. Number 6. Say goodbye to awkward sanding and hello to flawless finishes with the Milescraft Sand Devil 3.0. This clever hand sander features multiple sanding surfaces designed to reach tight corners, edges, and curves, giving you precision where it matters most. It uses a standard 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belt, so replacements are easy and affordable. Even better, you can reuse old belts, making this tool both efficient and eco-friendly. The included 80-grit cloth-backed belt is perfect for smoothing rough surfaces and prepping wood for finishing. Changing belt is a breeze thanks to the self-tightening, clever lever. No tools required, just flip and swap. Whether you're working on furniture, trim, or DIY projects, the Sand Devil 3.0 gives you control, comfort, and consistent results. Compact, durable, and built for detail work, the sander is a must-have for any woodworker's toolkit. Number 7. Precision meets simplicity with the BPOPO stainless steel angle protractor, a must-have for woodworkers, designers, and students alike. This versatile tool measures angles from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, with laser-etched markings that stay sharp and easy to read even after heavy use. Its adjustable protractor arm, secured by a knurled thumb nut, locks into position for accurate bevels, radial lines, and angle markings. Whether you're setting up a miter cut or sketching architectural details, this tool delivers consistent results with zero guesswork. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. No bending, no warping, just reliable performance. The included ruler attaches securely with a thumb nut for added stability and ease of use. From woodworking to drafting, the BPOPO angle protractor is a smart, durable solution for anyone who values precision and versatility. Number 8. When it comes to pocket hole joinery, Kreg 250 zinc screws are the gold standard for strength and simplicity. These 1¼ inch coarse thread screws feature maxi lock heads, designed specifically for softer woods like pine and plywood, giving you a tight, flush fit every time. The square drive design prevents slipping, so you can drive with confidence and avoid stripping. Plus, the flat bottom head seats perfectly in pocket holes, locking joints together without the need for pilot holes. Built tough, these screws are case-hardened to resist snapping under pressure, while their soft core adds just enough flexibility to prevent cracking. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or frames, Kreg screws make assembly fast, secure, and frustration-free. They're reliable, accessible, and engineered for clean, professional results, no matter your skill level. Number 9. Upgrade your drill game with the Toolant 52-piece Impact Driver Bit Set. Built tough for high-torque jobs and smart enough to keep you organized. This all-in-one kit includes hex, Torx, Phillips, slotted, square, and positive bits, plus nut drivers, a magnetic bit holder, and a socket adapter. It's compatible with all 1/4-inch power drills and impact drivers, including DeWalt and Milwaukee. Crafted from impact-resistant S2 steel with a manganese phosphate coating, these bits resist rust and breakage, lasting far longer than standard sets. The magnetic Torx bits and nut drivers make screw pickup effortless, and the enhanced bit holder keeps magnetism strong, even after repeated use. Color-coded rings and a transparent case make it easy to find the right bit fast, while the secure clip keeps everything locked in place. From DIY repairs to pro-level builds, this set delivers durability, precision, and convenience in one sleek box. Number 10. Need a repair that's fast, strong, and built to last? The FastCap 2P10 Superglue Adhesive Combo Pack is your go-to for quick, permanent bonds on everything from wood to plastic. Inside, you'll get a 2.25-ounce bottle of thick adhesive and a 12-ounce spray can of activator, designed to work together for lightning-fast results. Here's how simple it is. Apply the adhesive to one surface, spray the activator on the other, press them together, and in just 10 seconds you have a rock-solid hold. No clamps, no waiting. In about 30 seconds, the bond is fully cured and ready to take on the elements, indoors or out. Perfect for assembling furniture, fixing table legs, or tackling tough woodworking joints. This two-part system is a true time saver. Number 11. Boost your woodworking precision and safety with the PowerTech Universal Tandem Featherboards. This versatile set includes 2 featherboards, each equipped with threaded 5-star knobs, T-bolts, and miter slot brackets, giving you everything you need for a rock-solid setup. Designed to provide optimal feed control, these featherboards hold your stock firmly in place, minimizing kickback and ensuring cleaner, more accurate cuts. The kit's adaptive hardware lets you mount horizontally with miter slot brackets, vertically on 3-inch multi-tracks, or even stack boards using the included plastic spacers. With its miter lock system and reversible profile, it's compatible with both T-slots and standard miter slots, making it a perfect fit for table saws, router tables, router fences, and band saws. Whether you're ripping, routing, or resawing, this tandem setup helps you work safer, faster, and with professional-level consistency. Number 12. Unlock pinpoint accuracy with the CCI EAO Aluminum Alloy Center Finder Ruler, your go-to tool for finding exact centers quickly and effortlessly. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with a durable anodized green finish, it's tough, wear-resistant, and built for years of precise work. Shaped like an arrow for intuitive alignment, this ruler makes center marking a breeze. Simply draw 2 lines across your material, wood, soft metal, or more, and the intersection reveals the perfect center. With a 100 mm 4-inch range and 0.5 mm accuracy, it's ideal for both round and square stock, pipes, or complex shapes. More than just a center finder, it doubles as a carpenter's square ruler for 45 degrees and 90 degrees measurements, length checks, and correction tasks. Lightweight, portable, and easy to read thanks to its clear, finely etched scale, it's a time-saving essential for woodworking, engineering, and design. Number 13. Keep your router bits organized, protected, and ready to go with the SpeedTool Router Bit Storage Tray. Designed for versatility, this set includes 14-bit bases, a sturdy rack, and mounting screws, holding up to 56 bits when fully loaded. The top side of each block securely grips both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch shanks, while the underside holds 13 by 13 mm storage tubes, giving you flexible options as your collection grows. Whether you're storing router bits or drill bits, this tray adapts to your needs. For installation, choose between simple 2-pin mounting or the knurled thumb screw option to prevent accidental falls. Use it wall-mounted, fixed to your router table, or freestanding on your workbench. The anti-slip foot pads keep it stable in any setup. Durable, compact, and expandable, the SpeedTool Router Bit Storage Tray keeps your workspace tidy and your tools easy to access. Number 14. Achieve flawless fits and professional finishes with the Milescraft 8407 Scribe Tech, a compact, handheld scribing and compass tool built for precision. Whether you're working on architectural moldings, cabinet trim, countertops, or custom furniture, the Scribe Tech helps you trace perfect lines and maintain consistent offsets every time. Its articulating pencil head glides smoothly over a variety of surfaces, giving you the flexibility to scribe around curves, irregular edges, and complex shapes. By keeping your pencil parallel to your workpiece, it eliminates guesswork and ensures a seamless fit. Lightweight and compact, the Scribe Tech takes up minimal space in your toolbox but delivers maximum impact on your craftsmanship. From fitting panels to marking intricate profiles, it's the secret weapon for tight, accurate joins that look like they were machined to perfection.